Hey, good morning everybody. I'd like to welcome you to another episode of Saltwater Fishing TV. Today is actually February 9th, 2025. So I'd like to wish everybody a Happy New Year. This is like my first actual time going out fishing this year. And so we're just gonna go to the Jolla, doing a little shakedown run, just getting some fishing withdrawals. Haven't fished pretty much since 2024. And so we're just gonna see what things are looking like. We have no actual target in mind except for potential home guard yellowtail or white sea bass. Just want to see what the hell is actually going on out here. Let's see a good temperature break. We're gonna check that out. It's by the 32 fathom spot. So stay tuned and we'll get back with you in a minute when we get into the fish. Sorry. Where's my friend? Right here. I got a fish tab all the way down right now. Past the jetties, it gets a lot better. It should be better. Hey, what's up everybody? So I'm just checking in with you guys. I'm here by La Jolla, beautiful La Jolla, California. I'm about to start trolling this Mad Mac 165. It's supposed to be a deep diver, like 30 feet down. Got it tied on with a 80-pound string on a big old Kuma reel. Kuma Custom Black SLX30. Okay. Let's send it, see what happens. A couple little tips I like to advise. I like to recommend to slow down and just kind of be very observant of your environment. Look at the situation. So currently right now it's 57.3 degrees water temperature. The water is kind of green. I'm seeing some birds kind of flying around. Looks like they're looking for some activity. I saw a couple seals swimming around here. I also saw some dolphins swimming around. So my gut instinct is telling me that there is some activity here. There's some fishy, pescatorial type of activity here. So that's why I decided to put the troller out. 3 miles from where I want to go, which is the 32 fathom spot. That's where I saw the chlorophyll break and the temperature break last night. Currently I'm not seeing it on my internet, on my phone, but I'm just gonna go with my mental image that I have and just see what happens. Cross your fingers and we'll see what happens. So I just spotted some birds up ahead, a little bit of a distance away, and I don't want to waste time trolling all the way over there. So I'm just picking up the trollers and I'm just gonna run and gun over there because I don't know, it could be yellowtail or something. We'll figure it out. All right. Furthest one. I got a yo-yo tied on right now. I'm trying to sink a little bit. I just see dolphins. They are a predator though. Hopefully there's some yellows around as well. Around a lot. I'm gonna just start trolling around a little bit right here. See if we get a blind jig strike. Remember guys, it's not always about just catching and killing fish. Just enjoy the adventure, enjoy the journey. It was obviously super rough on the way out, in the inlet, outlet by the jetties. And look how beautiful it is right now. So just have faith, just know your boat, do your homework, understand the conditions. I use windy.com. I also use the National Marine Weather Service. You can see one of my videos that kind of shows how to do that. I'll try to put some links in the description on some of the resources that I use. They're all free, by the way. And you get to enjoy beautiful conditions like this. I've been chasing these bird schools around and nothing but dolphins. Seems like they're on little tiny baits, can't even hook anything, so I'm just gonna try a little bit more inshore, see if I can find anything else happening. Those fingers, see what happens. Fishing, never give up. So, another little tip is always watch the tips of your rods when you're trolling. When you see that little wobble, it means that your jig is swimming correctly. You see that similar wobble? So right now I'm just slow trolling around 6 miles an hour around some birds that I saw boil up right now. Well, fish that boiled up under birds. And they kind of scattered around a little bit, but this is the right way of doing it. So the birds just started gathering up right here. I did a 180. I decided to retrace my steps, and I can see some little deep marks like that one right there. Looks like a yellowtail. That one right there on the bottom too. Little boomerangs. Those are big yellows, I believe. You can see the birds are dipping right there. It looks super fishy. I just want to remind you guys, this is not the only way to fish. This is just the way that I fish. I like to fish kind of like for big fish, go big or go home style. I know it's a less chance of catching fish like this, it's higher risk, but higher reward. So you can fish however you like. There's a lot of people on YouTube, a lot of people on Instagram, people fish in different styles. But my targets are always the biggest fish that I can possibly catch. So, little disclaimer. You gotta watch out for all these lobster traps out here. They're throwing it, especially inshore. Got a little distractor there, almost hit one. Yeah. Good luck, everybody. I'm gonna keep fishing. And if I don't catch anything today, then I'll see you on the next one. We'll catch some fish next time. It's February. I wish everybody the best of luck this year. Hopefully everybody catches a lot of fish. Everybody reaches their goals in life. Just remember to always enjoy the journey, enjoy the adventure. It's not always just about catching fish. In the end, you will catch fish. Persistence is key. Just never give up. Quitters never win, and winners never quit. Hey, what's up, everybody? So it's pretty much the end of the day today. Pretty much about to head home. I found a little sonar mark. I was hoping to catch some yo-yo yellowtail, but unfortunately I just got a little bite catch. It's beautiful red rock cod, which is out of season right now. It is February, and I caught this right here off La Jolla. It's a beautiful grade of fish for so close to the shore. Only 145 feet of water, so I have to release this thing. So I'm gonna show you how to do this. I got what's called a descending device. This is mandatory to have when you're fishing U.S. waters. So this is how you do it. I'm gonna put this down for a second. So it's very easy to do. With my same rig, I have a little snap clip right here. And there you go, snap clip. And then this thing is basically a swivel with this hook or this little needle thing, and then you got another snap, another snap swivel on the end here, which is to attach your weight to, and this is where you're going to hook your fish to descend it down. Okay. So I'm gonna hook my main line to the snap swivel. My main line snap swivel to the descending device here with their barrel swivel here, this barrel swivel. Okay. So, excuse me, Rocky. You want to have kind of a heavy weight. I have a 12 ounce here. I hope that's enough. Maybe I'll add another one right here. Another 8 ounce, so that's like 20 ounces. So that should be enough. So what you want to do now, get your fish, and you're gonna want to put this guy right here. Just gotta snag down, boy. Yeah, put this hook this little needle thing through its gill. This is how I'm gonna do it, like so. And in theory, the weight's gonna make it descend down like so. And then when I get to the bottom, I'll give it a little yank, and it should pop off. Okay, so here we go. Sending it back down. Still alive, obviously. Okay. Back he goes. Some live footage. Okay, it's going down. Still going down. By the way, I got this nice Pisky Fun reel. I really like it. One of my, I don't know, I've been training around for like about half a year now. I really like it. It's pretty smooth, lightweight. Fish with it all good. So I'm just sending it down slowly. As soon as it hits the bottom, just gonna give it a little yank. There's some up there. Give it a spin or something. Okay, it's bottom. Give it a little yank here. I think it came off there. Yeah, I felt it came off. Okay, we're back up now. I like to use a handrail sometimes because I'm old and tired. I got a blue collar job, so. But yeah, I think I got it off. Yeah, beautiful. It worked like a charm. Check that out. Perfect. Perfect release. Fish on.